Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Scorpio placement. So this is your March love reading. Okay, so yes. Syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And yes, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. And ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay? And yeah, if you're interested sa ating all-in-one Evil Eye bracelet, oo, and sa ating Evil Eye ring and necklace, oo. So, message lang po, no? Oo. Okay. Yun lamang. So, let's start. Scorpio placements. Ano ba ang situation nyo? Ano ang current situation ng mga Scorpio ngayong March? Anong meron? Okay. Para kahit papano, mabigyang advice. Mabigyang clarity yung iba. Okay, kahit papano. Okay, so tingnan natin. Situation, please, ng mga Scorpio ngayong March. Oh, no. Okay, the Devil. Oh my golly. The Tower. Pinagsama yung pinaka-the best na energy. Grabe. Oo, the Devil and the Tower. You're expecting, no? Pagdating sa sitwasyon, you're expecting the unexpected. Oo, mga ganyan. Expecting the unexpected. Yan, okay? So, well, nakikita nyo na ito sa inyong, sabihin nating, future, no? Na pwedeng hindi magiging maganda to. Meron ng toxic, or sabihin nating toxic ang sitwasyon ngayon. Pwedeng may nag-end na. Some of you, may nag-end na toxic relationship. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Dahil dumating na sa realization yung iba. Okay, some of you might be dealing with a Capricorn and a Scorpio like you. Okay. Anong meron sa person? Scorpio. Anong meron sa kanya? The Ten of Pentacles in reverse. So, this person ay sabihin nating takot sa commitments or hindi sila pwedeng makipag-commit sa'yo or hindi sila open for commitments. Okay? Yeah, and the Seven of Wands in reverse. Pwedeng hindi mo na ito inilaban or hindi naman talaga dapat ilaban. Some of you, you're moving on sa taong ito. Okay? You're moving on. Kung ikaw is nandito pa sa sitwasyon na to na napaka-toxic and you're expecting separation sa sitwasyon nyo na to, kasi nakikita ko dito itong taong ito is hindi mo naman nakikitaan ng effort Okay? Hindi mo to nakikitaan ng effort. Pwedeng earth sign, fire sign. What's their true emotion? Tingnan natin. Ano bang totoong emosyon or intention nitong taong to sa'yo? Some of you, pwedeng naging sex-based lang to, ha? Okay, the Six of Swords and the Two of Wands. Intention nila is sabihin nating makaalis or makalabas sa kung anong meron pagdating sa sitwasyon nila. Okay, they're thinking lang pagdating lang sa sarili. Okay? Some of you, itong taong ito, pwedeng sabihin nating may pagbabalik. Okay, ito ha, may mga bumabalik. pero nandyan pa rin yung separation. Okay? Iba sa inyo, hindi nyo nakikitaan to ng something. Okay? Kung bakit nandyan, bang meron dito? Bakit ba kami magkausap nito? Wala naman na. Mga ganon. Some of you, their intention is to move on. Okay? To move on from you. Kasi parang ito lang yung way nila. Parang ganon. There is obsession here. Some of you. There is obsession. So that is why they're helping themselves. No? Okay? Para mas madali maka-move on sa'yo. And yes, you're helping them. Yeah. Some of you, alam nyo na to. Alam nyo na to. Okay? So, kung ngayon, meron ditong may nangyaring separation, intention or emosyon nila sa'yo is talagang tinatalikuran ka nila. Or nilalayuan ka na talaga. Okay? Pero, yun nga, kung ito is kakonect mo pa hanggang ngayon, ang intention ng mga ito is wala naman eh. Okay? Hindi ka kasama sa mga plano nila. Ganyan. Hindi ito para magtagal sa'yo. Like that. Okay? Kasi nga, 10 of Pentacles na naka-reversed. They are afraid of the commitments. Yes. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Yung iba sa inyo, kung itong taong to is may family or someone or may commitment na ito sa ibang tao, nandyan lang sila to play. Okay? Tingnan natin anong next action nila. Ngayong March. The Ten of Swords in reversed. This is a repeat. Be careful. Because of the obsession nga sabi ko. And the Justice. What? Really? Oh my God. Scorpio. Nandito yung repeat. Okay? Nandito yung repeat. Nandito yung pagbabalik. Dahil gusto nilang gawin kung anong dapat gawin sa sitwasyon. Yeah. Oh my God. See? The Lovers. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. Kung kayo single, at etong taong ito is walang partner or commitments or whatsoever. Okay? Some of you, kaya hindi ka rin maiwanan ng taong ito, sabihin natin may isa pang rason eh. Okay? May isa pang rason. Hindi nila kaya nang wala ka. Okay? Hindi nila kaya nang malayo ka. And then, after, ang nakikita ko is gusto niya mag-grow. Nandiyan din yung pwedeng gusto niyang tulungan yung sarili nila na maka-let go sa sitwasyon nyo na to. Pero ang nakikita kong pwedeng mangyari is bumalik, hindi nyo to inaasahan. Okay? Hindi nyo to inaasahan. Hindi nyo to inisip man lang na pwedeng mangyari. Na babalik ito at gagawin kung ano yung dapat. Kung ano yung tama. Pagdating sa sitwasyon. Kung may third party, bibigyan kanya ng kalinawan. Okay? So, there. Ang daming energy. Okay. Mantakin mo naman. Unang card natin, parehong Major Arcana. What? Okay, so tingnan natin ano ang outcome nyo ngayong month of March. Okay. The Nine of Swords. A lot of thinking, a lot of sleepless nights. Okay? And the Hierophant. Thinking about this relationship. This is a burden. This person is afraid na mawala kang tuluyan sa buhay niya. Yun lang ang nakikita ko. Sa lahat ng sinabi ko, yun lang nakukuha ko. This person is afraid na mawala ka sa buhay niya. Yun lang. Okay? Yeah, see? Ayaw nito. Kung mayroong distansya, ikaw lang. Kung may paglayo, ikaw lang. There's obsession. Iba sa inyo, kahit sabihin natin itong taong to, pagdating sa kanya, alam naman niya na pwedeng mangyari yung separation, but still, okay? Still, kung hindi man niya kayang mag-commit ngayon, parang ganyan, andyan yung sabihin nating open na open. Pero pagdating sa commitments, hindi pa ready. Gusto lang nito ng parang mararamdaman niya na nandyan ka palagi for them. Dahil hindi nila kaya nang wala ka. They can't stand alone. They can't stand being alone. Okay? Gagawa to ng tama. Some of you may pagbabalik nga na pwedeng gawin to. Okay? Kasi hindi niya kaya. Okay, so we have here Scorpio, Capricorn, fire sign, earth, fire, air, Libra, air, and Cancer. Okay. So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs. Grabe. Ang daming messages na pumapasok. Hindi ko na alam kung anong dapat kong sabihin. Okay. Aries, they want you, they like you, they're like physically attracted, they want a new beginning with you. Taurus, they want to say something like kung ano yung totoo, mga ganyan. Gemini, they want clarity, parang ganyan. Answers, yan. Or maybe they're giving you answers. Okay, so Cancer, they want a cycle na mag-end na. Okay, some of you pwedeng hindi na bumalik tong Cancer na to. So, next is Leo. So, there's no growth. Okay, pwedeng nawawala na rin yung attraction from this Leo. Virgo, they're making a decision na gumawa ng action. Gagawa sila ng action in general. Libra, okay, they're ghosting you maybe. Or maybe, dumarating sila sa sa maraming pag-isip, a lot of realization sa ngayon. Okay, Scorpio, they're dropping you. Okay, oops. Sagittarius, they're thinking a lot. They can't sleep, they can't eat. Okay, Capricorn, they need you. Aquarius, some of them merong third party involved. Okay, they want to heal the situation. Pisces, they want to fix things. Okay, they want to make effort. They're like, they want to focus on kung ano man kailangan pag-focusan sa inyo. Okay, so there, yun ang ating reading for you, Scorpio placements. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.